Here I have LYF Water 10 and let me show you how to take a screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you would like to capture. In my case, it could be simply the list of settings, so let's open the settings. Let's assume that I would like to save the screen, so all I need to do is use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down. And as you can see and hear the device just took a screenshot, so let me show you again. Let's hold down together power key and volume down simultaneously. And you just capture the screen. Now if you would like to share, edit, delete or do other stuff with your screenshot, let's use the upper bar and tap screenshot captured, or you can also find the screenshot folder right here by using the gallery, tap screenshot, and now you can share, edit, delete or do other stuff with the following pictures. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.